Introduction of coordinate geometry. Point in a plane. We are already familiar with marking a point on a plane graph sheet. For this, we take two perpendicular lines named XO, X dash and YO, Y dash, which intersect at a point O. The distance of the point from y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of the point from x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. The point of intersection of the x-axis and y-axis is called as origin, and the coordinates of origin are OO, option 0, 0. The coordinates of any point on the x-axis are x0, option XO, and the coordinates of any point at y-axis is in the form OY, option 0Y. Let us assume that XO, X dash and YO, Y dash, which are perpendicular on point O. A perpendicular PM is drawn on OX and a perpendicular PN is drawn on OY. If OM is equal to X and ON is equal to Y, then the x-coordinate of P is X and y-coordinate of P is Y. Therefore, we can write the coordinates of P as X, Y. Two lines XO, X dash and YO, Y dash divide the plane into four parts. These four parts are called as quadrants. XOY, YO, X dash O, Y dash and Y dash OX are the first, second, third and fourth quadrants respectively. We consider the first quadrant from the direction of O to X and from O to Y. Similarly, from O to X dash and from O to Y is considered to be the second quadrant.